Kevin O'Leary gave his views about whether there is going to be a housing market crash in 2021 and what are the signs and indicators that predict a housing market crash. He also explained how we can all be prepared for it. Kevin O'Leary is a Canadian entrepreneur, financier, and television personality who was perhaps best known as a panelist on the reality series Dragons Den and Shark Tank. He said that there's some really crazy stuff happening in real estate. Commercial real estate is going through dramatic change. Why? Because the pandemic changed the behaviors of everybody all across America. Let's just take, for example, big office towers in New York City or Boston or Detroit or any city. Before the pandemic, everybody went to HQ to go to work. Everybody said that let's get in the elevator with 60 people, go up to the 78th floor. But that's all changed. We have proven in this economy because of the pandemic that many people, let's say in accounting, compliance, logistics, they don't want to work in their cubicle anymore. They want to work at home and they have learned over the last year they can do it very successfully also. So they don't want to come back. So that reduces the demand for office square footage dramatically. Think about this. We are taking many precautions and that is great, but there are new strains every single year. There will be a percentage of the population that never takes the cure. Virus coming back like the flu each year and people are going to be more health conscious. They are not going to want to be jammed into elevators going up to the 78th floor anymore. They are going to want to work from home. That's a bit of a trend. We don't know yet the total impact of it. So you have got this diminishment of the value of office space and commercial real estate. Retail space has a lot of stores and third grade malls like really cheap places. They are not making any money because people are buying everything from Amazon and direct from companies. That's called the Great American Digital Pivot. So there's another asset class in real estate. Basically 1200 square foot strip mall stores. All kinds of other malls not doing so well. And that's a really bad news. But don't worry guys, because here's the good news. People want to live at home. They want to have their own space. They want to have a place they can live and work. Raise their kids, take care of their parents, whatever they are going to do. So you have got these two different spheres of value. Commercial real estate down, residential real estate up. How up? Big time up. Crazy up. Miami is one of the hottest real estate markets in the world. So if you really think about, if you have got the split market, you have got commercial real estate, which is going to go down in value over the next couple of years. Not much, but it's going to. Residential real estate is going to be really interesting for the next few years. Think about it. People don't have to work in a ratty little cubicle. They would rather have gotten the burbs and worked there. Makes total sense. But it's also going to reflect in the value of residential. So if you are an entrepreneur, then there's no question to the trend to continue buy homes, upgrade them. They call it flipping. It should be called investing because you are going to fix up the kitchen and the bathrooms. So let us know something about investing in residential. Kevin says that when you buy a home and it needs a renovation, the only two things you should care about: kitchens, bathrooms. Building a movie theater in the basement is total waste of money. You don't get any return on that. It sounds cool to have a man cave, but the major purchase decision is often made by the matriarch of the family. The kitchen is the zone. That's the family zone. Every dollar goes there first. Every guy likes to shave in a nice bathroom. A steam shower, these are all great investment. So if you are thinking about investing in real estate, go residential, not commercial, Kevin suggests. There will be a chance. Think about something like Bed Bath and Beyond. They closed 200 stores across America. And you know why? Because their online direct consumer business was up 76%. What's going to happen? The stores, they are not going to be stores anymore. They have to be converted to climate control pick packing facilities with robots and ship stuff out to the suburbs. Think about those crappy little movie theaters in those malls. The tiny ones, not the big ones. They come back. The IMAX, that kind of thing. But a little ratty movie theater. that's not going to get any capital spends on it, and your feet are going to stick on the carpet who wants to go there. They are going to zero another class of real estate. Big problem. You have to be pragmatic. Think about the way you are going to live. Now, Kevin talks about investing because real estate is a core holding for so many people and families. It's your number one asset, and in America, owning a home has always been what everybody wants. At the end of the day, there's no net on commercial real estate. You wait 24 months, let the prices come down, maybe go back in then because they are coming down. If you are into it, buy places that need a renovation and fix the kitchens and the bathrooms and resell them. You can get really high returns on that. So guys, if you found this video really informative, then please press that like button, convert it to blue. Also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day.